MCQ questions on Snowflake, Part 2. And welcome to our channel. Answers will be disclosed in the comments section. What are the three layers in the Snowflake architecture? A. Cloud service, storage, and query processing layer. B. Data ingestion layer, transformation layer, and analytics layer. C. Database layer, network layer, and security layer. D. Presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. Which layer is not the part of Snowflake architecture? A. Cloud service layer. B. Storage layer. C. Metadata layer. D. Query processing layer. In Snowflake, which component is often referred to the muscle of the system? Please find the below options. You can pause the video to analyze. In Snowflake, which component is often referred to the brain of the system? Take your time to analyze the following options. Which layer in the Snowflake architecture is primarily concerned with handling data encryption and decryption? A. Cloud service layer. B. Storage layer. C. Query processing layer. D. Metadata layer. Which layer in the Snowflake architecture is responsible for executing queries, optimizing performance, and processing data? Please find the below options. You can pause the video to analyze. In which layer does the virtual warehouse reside in the Snowflake architecture? Take your time to analyze the following options. Which layer in the Snowflake architecture interacts directly with the end users and applications? Please find the below options. You can pause the video to analyze. Which layer in the Snowflake architecture, security, optimizer, metadata manager, and infrastructure manager, resides? Take your time to analyze the following options. Which layer in the Snowflake architecture, authentication and access control, resides? Please find the below options. You can pause the video to analyze. Thank you. Answers will be displayed on the comments section and community tab. Expecting more likes, share, subscribe, comments, and your support.